Welcome to HVAC course Step 7. Gain experience. This is the step where your knowledge turns into real skill and where you start becoming a true HVAC technician. Up to now, you've learned theory, tools, installation, and troubleshooting. But here's the truth. Knowledge alone doesn't make you a professional. Experience does. Why experience is important? In HVAC, every system is different. Every job site brings new challenges, different environments, different problems. And the only way to handle them confidently is through real, hands-on experience. Books can teach you the basics, but experience teaches you how to think fast, how to solve real problems, how to work under pressure. Start with small jobs. Don't wait for big projects. Start small. Clean AC filters. Check airflow. Inspect wiring. Assist senior technicians. Every small task builds your confidence. Even simple work like cleaning or checking power helps you understand how systems behave in real life. Work with professionals. One of the best ways to gain experience is to work with experienced technicians. Watch how they diagnose problems. Observe how they use tools. Learn how they communicate with customers. Don't just work. Ask questions. Stay curious. Learn from every mistake. Practice daily. Practice is the key to mastery. The more systems you work on, the faster you'll improve. Even if you don't have real jobs every day, use training setups. Practice wiring. Study system diagrams. Simulate troubleshooting scenarios. Learn from mistakes. Mistakes are part of the journey. Every technician makes them, but smart technicians learn from them. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Analyze the problem. Understand what happened. Improve next time. This is how real professionals grow. Build confidence over time. In the beginning, you may feel unsure. That's normal. But with every job, your confidence will grow. Soon, you'll diagnose faster. You'll work more efficiently. You'll handle complex problems easily. Real technician mindset. A real HVAC technician doesn't rely on luck. They rely on knowledge, experience, practice, confidence. They don't guess. They understand the system. Final motivation. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The difference is, they kept practicing. Gain experience every day, and step by step, you will become a professional HVAC technician. Like, comment, subscribe for more HVAC tips and step-by-step training. Thank you so much.